Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to another episode of Over the Table's Random Reviews. I'm gonna get real with you guys for a second because in the last couple days, my views for some reason on YouTube have dropped to about half. I'm not sure if it's a glitch in the system or what's going on. It's really discouraging. I'm gonna keep making videos for you guys, of course, but I could use some love right now. It's really got me in a crappy mood. So if you support me, if you support what I do, drop it in the comments, please. Anything is appreciated. You guys are the reason I do this, so any love would be great. Now today's product, what we've got is a multi-tool that has pliers on it and everything that I found for just $2 on eBay. I'll pop that link in the description if you want to get your own. It seems pretty darn interesting, pretty high quality. Let's open it up and check it out. Alright guys, so here is our package. It does come in pretty standard eBay packaging. It's got that like bubble wrap plastic type. It's not the gray one, it is the white one. But we're going to open this thing up with this little pen knife that I reviewed in another video. You guys are probably pretty darn familiar with this thing by now. But I think we're about to have another knife to open up packages. So, say goodbye to the pen knife. Okay, so you can see that it does come in a nice little sheath. That's actually pretty fancy. I didn't think it was going to come in one. Keeps everything protected. And then it's got even some plastic around it to protect it from scratches and stuff in the shipping process. And it's also got a little loop chain here so you can attach it to a pack or anything to make it extra portable for sure. It's also got a little belt loop on here if you want to loop it onto your belt. That's really nice actually, very, very portable. You can see it does have pliers in it, and it's also got some multi-tools. So let's go ahead and see if we can get some of these out. If I had fingernails, this would be a lot easier. Okay. Speaking of fingernails, you've got a little file right there. That's always useful in certain situations. Also has a little blunt tip on the end. You never know when you could use that. So this other tool looks to me like it can work as a little flathead screwdriver. Perfect, that's what I was hoping for. The other side has our little knife blade. That is always a useful tool. Everyone can use knives. Okay, I lied. You're gonna see this thing one more time just so we can get this screwdriver up. There we go. It is very stiff, probably because it's brand new. The more you use it, the more it's going to loosen up to a point where it's going to be easy to get out. You can see that's got a little Phillips head screwdriver on the end of it. Really useful stuff. I mean, it's basic. It's got your basic needs, your knives, your screwdrivers, and a file. But everything kind of looks pretty nice. It's in a nice compact package. Now, how do we open up this plier? Because that's kind of like, oh, I see it's kind of twisting there. Okay. Oh, so the plier just twists right open. Oh, and it's got a spring and everything. Wow. Wow. Okay. That's actually a really nice little plier. It's a nice mini plier for sure. You could use this in situations. Throw it in your fishing gear so that way you have a little plier to get the hook out of the fish's mouth, or to even cut your line. It's got a little cutter in there as well. That's really nice. This thing seems pretty darn solid. I'm very surprised at the build quality behind this. I expected it to feel cheaper than this, but it feels really solid in the hand. Yeah, it's tiny, but that's what you want with something like this. $2 and you have yourself a tiny little plier that you can use in any situation that you need a plier. And it's actually pretty darn easy to pack right back up. Just folds right back up like that. And then boom, you're back together. So it seems pretty darn good. I mean, everything is pretty straightforward except for the knife. We're definitely going to need to test the sharpness of. You can see that was definitely much easier to take out than it was before. Let's see if this knife actually extends all the way out this way. It sure does. Perfect, that's exactly what we need. So let's test the sharpness of it using our paper test. All right guys, now I'm gonna be honest with you. I do not expect that much sharpness to come out of this knife simply because I just don't feel like it's that sharp. But we've seen dull on this channel and we've seen sharp on this channel, so we're about to see. Okay, it's definitely not razor sharp, so don't expect razor sharp. But not the dullest thing we've seen. You can see it does want to slice. Let's try the old stab and tear. Yeah, that's just tearing. There's very little slicing you could see actually going on, but it does slice a little bit. It is not razor sharp by any means, but it can do the job if you need it to. I'm sure it's even sharper if you were to go down on there. Yeah, you can see it's grabbing a lot. It is able to do basic knife needs though, like opening up packages, which is what we'll be using it for. Really easy product to use, really simple. It's got quite a few features for the price. The pliers are definitely my favorite part about it, but it does have those extra tools just in case you need them. And everything fits into a nice small compact package, and it's really, really nice. I would recommend it for sure because it's definitely something that's useful. So that would be the $2 multi-tool plier. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little review of this multi-tool plier. It's a pretty nice little product for the price. Again, I'll put a link to it in the description if you want to get your own. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down here. If you want to check out the last video, it's up there. If you want to check out the playlist with lots of future product reviews of stuff like this, it's up there. Have a great day everybody, and as always, don't get shot.